Hello and welcome to City Gunzels. I am Woodrow and currently it is 2:12 on Saturday the 18th of July 2020, which means voting has now closed, or nominating should I say, has now closed on Melbourne's Best Railway Station Awards 2020. So what I've done is I have put all the stations that have been nominated, a total of 7 I think, have been nominated, and I put them into this Word document, and I've also put them into this wheel. So what we're going to do is we're going to spin the wheel to figure out what stations will be put onto the list. So our first spin. And the winner of our first spin is... it looks like Broadmeadows has won, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove Broadmeadows from the list, and also here, just put a little W so I know that Broadmeadows won. Let's spin to reveal our next station. And our next station will be Tacoma by the looks. Tacoma is our next station. So we're gonna put a little W next to Tacoma. Let's go for our next station. And our next station will be Frankston. Frankston is our next station. Currently we have 3 stations decided, and we're going to go for one more. This is the final station. Which station will it be? And this is Carrum. So there you go. Those are the winners of... they're going to be the ones that I put onto the form. It will be a Google form. The link will be down in the description. Go vote. You have until next Saturday, which next Saturday will be the 25th of July. You have until the 25th of July to vote on those. Thank you for watching City Gunzels. Bye for now.